Okay. Zoom. Anyway, something's happening in this. What is this? A police station? Oh my god. This room is hell. Cheers. There's a million books over here. I'm not gonna get those. Okay, this one is gonna screw with me. There's 2 paintings. There's 2 pictures. This one's open. This one's half open. That one's half open, and that one's half open. And then this weird window, and there's stuff. Okay, there's a toilet. Wait, what is? That's an eyeball. Hold on, there's already an eyeball. There's already an eyeball in the sink. Why is there an eyeball? Okay, there we go. Oh, there's so many places. There's a jail cell. There's a chair. Okay, and I'm telling myself stuff, but I'm not gonna remember any of it. Okay, these can move. These chairs. I'm not gonna get that. Absolutely not gonna get that. Wait, that moved. I just noticed that moved. Why is so much happening in the bathroom? Immediately. Nothing else. Just in the bathroom. Nothing moved in here, right? Okay, 1 hour. Ooh, okay, that's fine. It probably wasn't fine, but whatever. Okay, wait. One of the bottles, no, one of them is missing. Because there were 3 bottles back here, and wait, no, it fell off. Never mind. It moved. It didn't disappear. It's right there. It moved. It moved it fell off the table. Or whatever that is. The shelf. Back here, I'm not gonna get. So if anything happens back there, then we're screwed. Everything else, oh wait, those moved. What are these thingies? They move back. I pay attention to those because I know that they move, so I have to make sure they don't. Thank you. Did something happen over here? Oliver, I swear to God. This one looks fine, I think. It probably isn't, knowing my luck, but whatever. Okay. Yep. Did that move again? No, it didn't move. That's fine. I feel like something's wrong with these books, but I can't tell. No. I feel like something's wrong with it. Maybe some books disappeared. Because there's a random space in between the books. And I don't know if that was there before. Oh, I was right. I'm so good. Are these things here? I think that's fine. I can't, wait, that's not. That isn't fine. What is that? Can you even see that? I don't even know what you can see. But there was something wrong. It was weird. Okay. It's glaring and I can't really see, but it's not even that dark in here. It should be easier to play at night because I can actually, ooh, that door opened. What the crap? How dare you? Anyway, that's fine. 2 hours. Only 2 hours, dude. I didn't even look at that room. I just kind of looked at it. Did something move on here? Maybe. I don't know why I'm playing this. Wait, I'm right? I thought I was wrong. What moved? I don't even know what moved. I didn't see anything. I just guessed. Alright, well, something had moved apparently. I didn't see what it was. Wait, there's an apple there. There's not an apple there. There's not supposed to be an apple there. That looks fine. Oliver, please. Was that not there? Whoa, okay, that door. It's slamming shut. The door. Something's going on there. That's kind of sus. Okay, that's a dead body. A corpse. I'm fixing it. Shut up, I'm fixing it. Shut up, I'm fixing it. I'm between. Wait. Right here, it looks weird. I don't think it's normal. No? Really? Really? Why does it look like that? What kind of painting is that? That's so weird. Oh, now that all the chairs are looking at me. I was waiting for that to happen because it's funny. So loud right now. Okay, there's the painting anomaly. There it is. I found it. See, I thought the one behind it looked weird. But, the one back here, it apparently that's just how it looks. Was that chair there? Hopefully... I'm not seeing anything obvious anyway. If it's anything subtle, I'm probably not seeing it. There's an extra chair there. I think. I don't think that chair was there. I was about to fix it. I was about to fix it.